Hello everyone from the Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today together we will make a soup that warms us up during the cold winter days, namely tomato soup. We would greatly appreciate it if you could support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and not forgetting to turn on the notification bell. Let's get started then. Ingredients: 2 cups of tomato puree, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, half a cup of milk, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. First, let's add butter to our pot. Pour 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over our butter. Then add our 3 tablespoons of flour. Let's roast the mixture well. Next, pour our 2 cups of tomato puree over the mixture. By the way, as always, let's not forget to add our informational footnote. The first published recipe for tomato soup was in the New Cookery Book by Eliza Leslie, an American cookbook author, in 1857. It became popular worldwide after Campbell's Soup Company popularized this recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 5 cups of water and continue stirring. Add some salt to our soup to taste. Then continue stirring occasionally until our soup boils. After it starts to boil, pour our milk into it. After it begins to boil, cover the pot and continue cooking for 5 more minutes. Finally, our soup is ready. Enjoy your meal. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments. You can also share your cooking experiences and requests with us. Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button. Wishing to see you on beautiful and healthy days. Take care, stay healthy.